Hello everyone, it's Recharger here with another 143 scale video, and this time I am not sure who makes this not F, but A1 formula. So it does come in this kind of a packaging from the side, but I tried to understand if there's like a different language and stuff on here, so not quite sure at all. I can find out it was made in Bangladesh. That's all. And 143. There is some writing on the base here, but I couldn't find anything that would say who makes it. And when I got this thing, I forgot to check who makes it. So and it's no longer on the store, so I can't even check. And I know I could have checked on Google, but I forgot. So and here we are. So yeah. So, but this is the Jackie Stewart's Matra MS10 1969. This is a very cool looking formula card. So yeah, let's get it out, then off the base, and let's see. I have to cut it out because it's being stubborn. Wow, this is really stubborn. Just doesn't want to come out the normal way. Oh, I think I just cut the spot I wasn't supposed to cut, but let's see if that worked. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on. Annoying packaging. There we go, finally got it out. Whew. Okay, so there's our acrylic case, comes with, on this like track base. Take that off. It is extremely lightweight, so the spoiler and all the little bits and bobs, everything is like plastic. I think the body is the only thing that is the blue bits. I think that is all. The only thing is metal. Let's get it off the base and look at it even closer. Okay, it's off. This thing is very, very fragile. Slightly worried about holding it even in my hands, but yeah, it is very, very small and very fragile. But yeah, the blue part, the base and the top is metal, but all these little things on the side, the spoiler, the engine, the front spoiler, and all the suspension and bits and bobs that go to the wheels is all plastic, so it is very, very fragile. Let's get some details right there. Not too crazy on the details because this wasn't an expensive model, so. But it might be a roller though. Rubber tires. There's the inside for the driver, the bucket seat, and get some focus, please. There we go. Steering wheel. Some sponsorship going on there. Yep, this thing is. Woo! Was got a heart attack. Really don't want to drop it. Let's see how it rolls. It doesn't look like it's going to be too much of a roller on its own. It is very, very low to the ground. Maybe I can just pull the wheels slightly. Okay, now it might be a roller. Or still not really. Let's see if I can pull the front wheels up slightly. out. It is a bit more of a roller than it was, but still not that much. But it is a collectible model, so it's not a toy. In this case, yeah, it's even on the base as 143 Matra MS10. So that's all we're getting. Rims look cool, at least the back ones. It says Dunlop on them, so have some licensing going on here. Well, the model is licensed, so it's... I just wish I would know who makes it. But yeah, that is all I can show you and tell you. All I'm able to, at least. Would be cool if somebody made, well, not somebody, but I would wish Mini GT would make this into a 164. That would be very, very amazing. But yeah, that's all for this video. So hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.